Hi team, it's Sal from the Gym's Cleaning HQ. Firstly, we hope you and your family are staying safe. Today we'll be sharing our response to the COVID-19 virus, Gym's Disinfect service. During these challenging times, hygiene standards within homes and workplaces have been more important than ever. Our service is suited to protect all premises within the hospitality industry, schools, child and aged care facilities, NDIS clients, commercial buildings, all the way through to domestic clients. There are some requirements franchisees do need to undertake before operating for this service. That will include the infection control training course, nitrile gloves, safety glasses, high visibility vest, an appropriate mask, colour-coded cloths, and the Gym's Disinfect product. The disinfectant product can be applied via two methods, a spray and wipe bottle or the battery-operated sprayer. We need to remember that this service is a post-cleaning treatment. We need to ensure all areas are pre-cleaned and ready for disinfection. Firstly, we'll need to fill our bottles with water. 750 ml on a spray and wipe, 15 litres on the battery-operated sprayer. To prepare the spray and wipe, all we'll need to do is push the solution to reach the required amount of liquid. Once we've reached that amount, we'll just pour the solution into the bottle. As for the pump-up sprayer, we'll need to push the solution up to 100 ml and pour straight into the bottle. Spray disinfectant to colour-coded cloth and apply to the surface. Target high touch points such as countertops, surfaces, door handles, handrails, light switches and power points. Ensure spray pumper is charged, primed and set to misting mode. Spray evenly over floor surfaces with a side-to-side motion. Overlapping is recommended for an even spread. Do communicate clearly with your clients the aim and benefits of the service. Keep a minimum of 1.5 metre distance from others and practice social distancing. Ensure strict hygiene protocols are followed, including uniforms, equipment and cloths. Ensure you are following colour-coded guidelines. Display wet floor signs when applying mist to floors. Do not spray mist near any electrical equipment and personal items. Create any slip hazards. Make statements relating to attacking or curing the COVID-19 virus via this treatment. 1 litre concentrate will cost $150 including GST. As a misting solution via battery sprayer, dilute 100 ml to 15 litres of water. 1 litre will make 150 litres of ready-made product or cost $15 per fill. As a spray and wipe via spray bottle, 25 ml for 750 ml of water. 25 ml will make 750 ml of ready product or cost $3.75 per fill. 1.5 litres of misting and 500 ml of spray wiping. Cost approximately is $2.90 per job.